Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the hassle-free process of registering for an Intuit QuickBooks account. Follow these simple steps to get started with your accounting journey. Step 1. Visit the QuickBooks website. Open your web browser and go to the official QuickBooks website at www.quickbooksintuit.com. Step 2. Choose your plan. On the homepage, you'll find various plans tailored for different business needs. Browse through the options, such as QuickBooks Online, QuickBooks Desktop, or QuickBooks Self-Employed. Click on the Get Started or Buy Now button for your selected plan. Step 3. Create an account. Once you've selected your plan, you'll be redirected to a new page. Here, click on the Sign Up or Create Account button. You will need to provide basic information such as your email address and a secure password. Step 4. Fill in your business details. Next, you will need to enter your business information. This typically includes your business name, industry, and business type, e.g., sole proprietorship, LLC. Be sure to provide accurate information, as it helps in customizing your QuickBooks experience. Step 5. Set up payment information. Depending on the plan you selected, you may need to enter your payment details. This can involve adding a credit or debit card or opting for monthly billing. Make sure to read the terms and conditions before proceeding. Step 6. Verify your email. After completing the registration form, you'll receive a verification email. Check your inbox and spam folder for the email from QuickBooks. Click on the verification link to confirm your email address and activate your account. Step 7. Log into your new account. Return to the QuickBooks website and click on the Sign In button. Enter the email address and password you used to create your account. Once logged in, you can start setting up your QuickBooks dashboard. Step 8. Explore QuickBooks features. Now that you're logged in, take some time to explore the features available in your QuickBooks account. You can manage invoices, track expenses, and much more. QuickBooks also offers tutorials and resources to help you make the most of the software. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Your support helps us create more content. Happy accounting with QuickBooks.